The author mentions the existence of these thought leaders in the same time in order to do what? Where do we have this reference? This reference takes place in the first paragraph where the passage refers to these thought leaders. The first paragraph says that the fact that these thinkers lived across the globe and lived in the same time period indicates that human moral evolution had reached the same point simultaneously. So the passage indicates that the emergence of these thought leaders in the same period indicates some similarity in the human moral evolution in each of the societies that these individuals came from. That is the thought here. Let's look at the answer choices in this context. Answer choice A, to suggest their influence on religious and philosophical thoughts. Yes, the passage mentions religious and philosophical thoughts, but to highlight that influence is not the purpose of mentioning them in the same time. The time aspect suggests that human moral evolution had reached the same point simultaneously. Please note the word simultaneously and time here, same period. These both relate to the time aspect, and that is what the question is asking about. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, to show common factors. The passage has a reference to common factors, but the passage doesn't indicate what these common factors are. So it is incorrect to say that the passage mentions the existence of these thinkers in the same time in order to show common factors. So this answer choice doesn't capture the intended meaning. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice C, to indicate the simultaneous evolution of human moral thought. Yes, that is what the passage mentions here. It says that the emergence of these thinkers in the same time period indicates that human moral evolution had reached the same point simultaneously. So again, the word simultaneously plays a key role in this answer choice. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice D, to applaud the importance of the transformation of human thought. In the context of the discussion related to the thinkers emerging in the same period, the passage makes no suggestion regarding the importance of transformation of human thought. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, understanding man's place in the world. In the context of this discussion, the passage makes no suggestion regarding the thought of understanding man's place in the world. So this answer choice can be eliminated. C is the correct answer.